In the USA, roads are traditionally built not only from asphalt, but also from concrete. What is so special about concrete, and is it really better than asphalt and its characteristics? Let's try to figure it out. In 2017, 53% of roads in Rhode Island were in poor condition, 45% in California, and 42% in Hawaii. The list goes on. As everywhere else, roads in the USA are damaged by two main factors: the constant movement of vehicles and the vagaries of the climate. While the former Soviet republics have recently encountered dense traffic, in the USA this problem has much deeper roots. After all, America was once the center of automobile production. At the same time, the USA is a country with a fairly large territory. Needless to say, huge trucks are used to transport goods across American expanses. But the asphalt is the first to suffer in this case. The fact is that asphalt is a relatively cheap material, with a fairly simple laying technology. However, you have to pay for its cheapness with its strength and reliability. The average service life of an asphalt road in the USA is 12 years, but this is according to the documents. In reality, everything is much worse. Especially if large loads travel on such roads. Building a long asphalt road between two cities is not very profitable. Therefore, in the USA, large roads, those same highways, are preferred to be built from concrete. Yes, concrete is much more expensive than asphalt. However, if the task is to build a concrete highway on which heavy trucks will drive, it quickly turns out that concrete is also cheaper. After all, a concrete road will have to be repaved 2.5 or 3 times less often. According to the documents, such a road surface in the USA can last about 30 years. It would be a mistake to think that in the process there is no need to patch such roads. However, repairing a concrete road is cheaper and more durable. In addition, concrete roads have several other serious advantages. In addition to high strength, rigidity, and reliability, such roads tolerate summer well. Unlike asphalt, concrete resists deformation better, is more environmentally friendly, and also reflects light better, which is especially useful when driving at night. But concrete road surfaces have a number of serious disadvantages. Firstly, concrete roads take much longer to build. Secondly, just as concrete withstands high temperatures well, it absolutely cannot withstand low temperatures. Thirdly, concrete surfaces do not tolerate temperature changes very well. Therefore, in America, concrete highways are laid mostly only in places where the temperature is stable above zero all year round. And which road surface do you like best?
Please like and subscribe. There will be many more interesting videos.